Hey, Doug Barnett here at Fayetteville Town Center and Starrs Mill, and just so excited about our Chick-fil-A's being able to be involved with Elevate.
My name's Janet Bailden, and I'm the HR director for Radco. Matthew and I got this project, and we had to pull it together in about 3.5 weeks, 4 weeks. So we were really stressed out, but we had a great partnership with Elevate.
So my name is Dawn Morgan, and I serve as the coordinator for student leadership programs at Auburn University. My first opportunity to work with y'all this past August was truly an amazing one. You all think of everything from A to Z, so lighting and production and running the show, and all the members of your team kind of come in and become members of our team and help us and amplify us and lift us up, and it's just been a really positive and enlightening and motivating experience.
So I was trying to think, like, what is working with Elevate? A couple of words come to mind, and one of those is remarkable. I have been doing events now for quite some time, and if I was being totally honest, very rarely do I get the opportunity to enjoy my own event. And that was not the case this time. I think in partnering with Elevate, one of the biggest value adds for me was that in my own event, I got to take a yoga class, and I had space to sit down with people and have real conversations and to ask them how they were doing. I had time to rest.
One of our colleagues had seen him somewhere else, and I said, we really need something that's going to motivate our team. And she said, I got the right guy. Trust me, I got the right guy. And I didn't really know, but it was tremendous.
Elevate has been a great partner with us in putting on the summit, from helping us brand the summit to really helping us focus our programming and our experience. And so we love the team, we love the staff, very fun, very engaging.
This was a party. So, you know, I walked in. This is actually my first year that I've been to one of these, and I didn't know what to expect, and I had a great time. But it got everybody that was here involved, got all the clients involved. Some of those that just sit in the corners, at times they got up, they were moving, they were smiling, they were part of it.
I've found an organization where we can really connect with and do things in the community in a really authentic way, and that's why this partnership has been so special for so long, is because we're two groups that really care about connecting with people, making a difference in people's lives, and not just doing a kind of just check the box kind of experience.
After just experiencing a ton of investment, that's one word, investment, generosity, unbelievable strategic thinking that we could have never arrived at outside of the time with Elevate.
You know, from the planning that you helped us with, the ideas that you generated, the way that you were able to combine music and get people engaged, especially the people on the ends, on the outside.
If I had to describe Elevate in one sound, it would be yeehaw!
Over the years, I've been able to watch Billy and his company grow, and we ended up having this trust factor. I really felt like that Billy was grounded the same way that I was.
So one of the things I love about Elevate is the intentionality with how they plan and execute anything that we've done. Most of the time you can find vendors that can deliver great work, but for Elevate, really, the people that Billy and his team have brought to our events have just made it special and different.
What Elevate does is just take whatever it is that you're doing, and they really help get your point across, get your message across in a really, really engaging way. And to say that with middle school and high school kids here, that they were engaged in a day-long leadership conference from start to finish, that really is a testament to Elevate's professionalism, how they prepare, and really are able to reach the audience that you're trying to reach.
We really love working with Elevate. You guys just make it so easy to do anything event-wise. So they call the shots, they plan the event, they're awesome, and we are very grateful for them.
We enjoy working with Elevate because it does just that. It elevates the experience that we're offering our team.